Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just want to take the time to talk about what I call the lie of a one update a year. We often talk about how Microsoft has decided, apparently, to do one update a year. We were getting moments that were rolling in through Windows updates with cumulative updates. From time to time, we had moment 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these would bring new features. Then at moment 5, oh, it's all over. Now we're getting one update a year. But yet, it's not true that we're getting one update a year. In the past couple of months, how many little things changed here and there, being pushed, not with any fanfare. They just said, oh, well, we're adding this feature with this new bug fixes. And most of them come with end of the month bug fixes. Oh, well, we added the capability of this and that. Look at Windows 10. Windows 10 has got, a new mobile device center. All of that with the always, promise every time they talk about it of, oh, yeah, we're getting one big update a year. It's just not true. They're still going through what is Windows as a service. They're still pushing on us features that we haven't really asked from time to time. And it is kind of interesting. And some of these features are changing, like Copilot. When we say to somebody, and imagine business, which is probably worse for them. When you tell somebody there's going to be one update a year with new features, well, there's one update a year with new features. There's not tons of little features, kind of popping up here and there. And then at the end of the year, it's like, oh, we've got a big update with new features. It doesn't work like that. It's as if one side of Microsoft is saying, yeah, we'll get one update a year with these features. But the other side is saying, oh, here's one. Oh, here we're adding one. Oh, we're changing that. Oh, look, in the start menu, we're going to do this now. Oh, and that settings app, we're going to change one thing in it. That's not one update a year. That is constant updates of tweaks of features all the time. So, see it as it is. We're constantly being updated. Or if you don't want that, or if you don't want, to say that or be that, then do say it. We'll get only one bunch of updates a year. I am a little tired because some people don't want features, some people don't care features. And it's not just that, it changes things around. And instead of having something that happens once a year that you get a habit of, okay, well, now I got a hang of it, it's constantly, always new things. So it's kind of sad. Microsoft should stop messing around with the words, trying to tell us it's a one update a year when there's tons of things happening and there's tons of little updates here and there, even after the moments are finished now. We have no more moments, but we did have new features in within. And even Windows 10 now is getting tons of little new things. I'm sure that annoys a lot of people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.